Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Are you looking for a beautiful, fun, and flowy dress that will make you feel absolutely beautiful in? This beautiful dress from KUTUMAI is really fun, flowy. It would be perfect for a party or for just a day or date out. It's a beautiful, flowy, boho style dress. You can see the print on it is absolutely stunning. The colors are really vibrant. It reminds me of a beautiful sunshiny day near the blue ocean. I really love that it has really nice, cute details, such as the sleeves that have a little bit of a wing to them. The cinched waist is nice and wide, so it feels really, really comfortable. And it has layers on layers of fabric. On my frame, I am 5'4", and this is 50 inches long. So it's definitely between a calf length and a maxi length on my frame. The dress fits really, really well. I opted for the size medium and it fits perfectly. I love that it cuts right to the shoulder, and again, it just feels really comfy and flowy. The dress is very, very cool even in warmer weather, but also felt warm on a cooler day. I love that it also has pockets. I just feel like it's just such a fun dress that would be perfect for any type of outing. If you're looking for something that is really vibrant and colorful and feels so pretty while you're wearing it, then you will love this beautiful, gorgeous dress. But that's just my point of view.